Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Raj. I am from Patna, Bihar. After completing my graduation, I come to know about eVision Technosur from one of my friend. Then I joined their classes, and I am really impressed by their impressed like how they teach us, and I especially thank to the Rahul sir, Ganesh sir, and Priya ma'am for their continuously effort during the classes. And I am very glad to secure a position uh, in team computers. Uh, I'm looking forward in my career to join DevOps course through eVision Technosur. And if you join eVision Technosur, they will grow you like a zero to hero within a within 2 month time frame. I once again I especially thank to the Ganesh sir, Priya ma'am, and Rahul Das sir for their continuous effort, and I uh, urge everyone to join TechnoServe for their learning experiences and 100% job placement offer. Thank you everyone.